Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 21st day of January 2026. And what a raucous day it has been. We have President Trump in Davos, and the market has gone up and down dramatically. So this is a news streak going along. And we're going to go with the news until it tells us it's going to turn around. So what we have here is we have a strong candle. We go to our usual strong candle indicator. This little triangle says take this trade long towards the top of the screen. And we're going to wait. Whenever we get a candle that pushes over a brick wall, we wait for the next candle to push down and make sure it's going to hold. And then we'll put our order on the body of the candle and we'll just take it long. Now, the PVI is probably higher than one we've ever used here. I expect the next candle to be close to 300 ticks long. But for purposes of YouTube, we can only make so much money per trade. They don't like it if we say made too much. So we're going to use an ATM that's a little bit under, but it's a lot under what the market will pay. So we're going to go for 20s, 50s, and 100 and keep it under that $1,000 threshold. So this is the way the trade went down in the live trading room today. And it goes pretty quick. Get this out of the way until we're ready to actually put it on. We could put a cover order on, which is what we usually do. I tell you what, the market has been up and down. You got to really be careful when it's this hot. All right, that's close enough. There it goes. It hits into the brick wall. Now we put our order on top of the candle. When we get picked up on this, we should be able to hit these targets pretty easily. Now, we did hit the targets pretty easily, so I kind of know what happens already, or we wouldn't be using this, right? So there we go. All right, once we get picked up in the trade, we'll speed it up, although I don't think that we really need to. There's 20s, 50s, and 100. Our actual targets were more than that. But again, move your last one up to the next brick wall, which is the R2. Well, we had to enter back in again. Now, it's been pretty up and down. So when you have this kind of big PVI, de-risking the trade is a really difficult thing to be able to do. You got to use a bigger ATM or you get a lot of break-even trades like we just got off that first one. So all we did was when we got a break-even situation, we went ahead and re-entered it again. Took out our first target. There's our 50-tick target. And see how it came down, took out everybody that went to +1. And there's our 100-tick target right there. This is only 2 times market speed. Now, that trade right there took 2.5 minutes to complete and was worth 975 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 975 US dollars in 2.5 minutes, you need to come over and see us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We have all the education you need and some incredible indicators that no one else has that are amazing. So look forward to seeing you in live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.